Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today we have OPPO K13 Turbo 5G edition, and also we have the OPPO K13 Turbo cooling package. Wow! Let's have a very quick unboxing and hands-on and testing video about this new device from OPPO. At this time we have the 12GB RAM plus 512GB RAM edition, night white color. This time they have a purple box maker design, and this is the cooling package. It's just use the normal white color box, and this is the cooling package. There's a water cooling fan and cooling case, and also a high efficiency cooling fan inside. So next, let's open this smartphone box first, and there's a big K in the front of the box and a bit maker design, and here is the smartphone. Okay, white color, and this time they have three colors: the night white, the purple, and also the black variant. So after the smartphone, we can find the case, the cable. They provide a USB A to Type C case, cable, and this time they provide a 7,000 mAh big battery with 80-watt fast charging, and here's a smile SIM card eject pin. Nice. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, not fix it, cannot fix it. Okay, it's 80-watt super work fast charger. This time for the weight of the device is just 208 grams, and the thickness just 8.31 millimeters. But also have a 7,000 big battery inside, so this is also very nice. And next, another box inside, and I think this is a smartphone case. Yes. Okay, a decent case. It's a gray color, soft plastic, and feels comfortable. It's very smooth. Okay, this is a customized case. Nice. A bit soft. And this is the quick start guide and also the warranty card. Okay, now this visual inside this. Let's put it back and let's check the today's highlight. Okay, let's put it back and okay, put it aside. Okay, close the box. Then, whoa, check the smartphone. OPPO K13 Turbo. Whoa, white color, night white color. This is the back side, bit maker style design with RGB bracelet, and this is not the Pro one, so it doesn't have the metal coating, but it also feels nice. And the frame, metal frame, silver color, Type C charging dot, also the air outlet. Nice. Get a very nice hands-on feeling, and also the control weight wheel just 208 grams. Okay, let's put it aside and try to pick up the device. Okay, ColorOS. Okay, let's follow the instruction and enter the OS. English. Okay, we can skip, and then we can go to the OS. Skip. We choose gesture and offset. Okay, now enter the OS. Oh, very smooth. Check the appearance again, and this is the air outlet, 2 outlet, and the biggest features about device is the built-in active cooling fan. And we go to the settings to check the basic specification about device. Now enter the setting part. It's powered by the ColorOS 15, and it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chips, 4 nanometers producing technology, and also the 12GB RAM plus 512GB RAM edition, and it supports LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1. And for this device is around 1 minute AnTuTu score. And if we go to the display part, we can find it's powered by 6.8 inch 1.5 display resolution OLED screen, and support maximum 120 Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness reached to 1600 nits. And here's the cooling fan. Easily to turn it on, and we want to change the sound effect and also the cooling mode. OPPO have their own developed frequency change cooling fan for this device. This air outlet. If we switch from smart shifting to full speed, we can actually feel the difference of the sound, and also the maximum speed of this cooling fan reach to 18,000 rotator per minute. And also there's a setting fan blade. The thickness of the blade is just 0.1 meters. Yes, we now can feel the cooling fan works, and we can also change the sound effect. So this is very cool, and this also makes sense for the gaming hours. Okay. And now let's test the working performance about the cooling fan with lighter and paper. So this is a lighter. Okay, let's test the cooling fan. It is small. Let's switch to the full speed. Okay, things changed much different. Easily to blow the fire from the lighter. Okay, easy. Whoa, whoa, super cool. So this is for the lighter, and next is for, we have a piece of light paper. Oh yes, we can find it move, the paper move, and after the this is max speed. Okay, already there's a 2 layers. Also it works. Okay, let's switch it, change to the middle part. Also, even for the middle part, not only the edge, it can also let the paper move. This is for the paper, 2 layers of paper. So this is a super nice for this. So it's an entry-level gaming device. It's super cool. And okay, next let's try to test the camera part. And for this device, it's powered by a dual rear camera system. The main one is 80 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel wide angle, and also front one is 16 megapixel. So this is the main camera. One time, 2 time, maximum 10 times 2. The video pro mode, you can adjust the ISO, EV, focal, white balance, and shutter. Okay, let's try to adjust it. Focal, white balance, and shutter, UV, and for the video, portrait mode, and also we support more slow motion, panorama, time lapse, HD high resolution. Okay, this is for the front side. It's a 60 megapixel and support beauty mode. And also for the front have a normal and portrait mode as well. Nice. Take some pictures, and don't worry, I put all the same pictures at the end of the video so you can check the performance about the camera part. Okay, nice. Again, oh, for the front, no zoom. Okay, 10 times for the real, but for the front, no zoom. Okay, video part have a, okay, not here, video is here, yes, 4K maximum, 60 FPS, and ultra steady, and this is a UV, and also the flashlight, I think. Also we can adjust explosion here. It is the flashlight. Okay, flashlight. Okay, nice. So this is a very quick test of the camera, and for the OPPO K13 Tempo standard edition. Okay, next let's check the accessories. Whoa, after we open it, case, cooling fan inside. Okay, let's check it one by one. This is a cooling case in the soft bag, plastic bag, and this is a cooling fan, and also it's decorated with the purple color, and here are two magnetic connection pin, and also here for this part it's also protected by the protector. This is the OPPO logo, and here is the case. It's a water recycling cooling case. It's also specific organic connection. Okay, this is the user manual for the package, and instruction about in outlet, Type-C charging dot, outlet inlet for the cooling fan, and also this button to adjust the charging dot, and also we can have a button to adjust the mode, switch the mode. And here's a cooling fan. Okay, to detach it with this mechanic connection pin, 2 pins. Okay, it's very easy to use. Next, okay, put it aside, then fix the case to the smartphone. So after we added the case and the cooling fan, there's a triple cooling technology powered for this device. Okay, astral fan, built-in side fan, and also the case. This is the button. We need to power it. So, okay, let's see. No cable inside the package box, so I think I will use my own cable to power it. and test it about the cooling performance about the package. Okay. Okay, not this the cable inside the smartphone box is also not okay. I will use. Okay, this is a charging dot. Nice. Okay, I will use my Type C to Type C cable to test it first. Okay, it works, but still doesn't work constantly. If I plug the cable to the smartphone, next let's try to plug it to the power bank. Okay, everything looks nice. We can also find the water is trickling from the window of the case, and now the actual cooling fan works. We can find the blue light and the cooling fan, and also we can switch from different modes. Yes, everything works. And I think this is a new species in the market for the cooling fan cooling technology. It's a micro engine inside, plus the active cooling building the smartphone, and also the cooling case, the triple cooling technology, and also support magnetic connection. So it's the lighter, and we will have lighter 5 test. Okay, easy to blow it. Also the inside fan, also easy to blow it. And according to the official news, this cooling fan can maximum reduce the temperature of the smartphone to 33 centigrade, and also the temperature of the cooling fan can reach to -8 centigrade. And they also can reduce and decrease the temperature 10 centigrade at just 5 seconds. This is the amazing, and it's much better than another cooling fan package. And for this cooling fan technology, it's just 50 grams, and the working watt is just 27. Much better than the other brand 30 watt. So this is a very quick hands-on and unboxing and testing video about the OPPO K13 setting tempo and cooling package. So let's end the reading for more catch up from here.